How to download UFL on PC. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Open up any of your preferred web browser. At the top search bar, type in www.uflgame.com. As you do so, you will land onto a page like this. Now, in order to download, click on to download now. You can download using two options. If you would like to download this app using your PlayStation, then click onto it. Here you have to first of all sign into your PlayStation account and then search for the game that you would like to download, then click on to download. If you don't have a PlayStation account, then you can also download using Xbox. To do that, click onto it. Get logged into your account and search for the game that you would like and download from there. And that is how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this.